Domestic Violence Services in Davidson County, presented by Eliza's Helping Hands Incorporated in partnership with Community Intervention and Educational Services. We are sending you a virtual hug from Eliza's Helping Hands and the COOL program. Our agency is comprised of 3 programs, all sharing the same mission. The first is Eliza's Helping Hands Incorporated. Then we have Community Intervention and Educational Services, which houses the COOL program. And the third is A Voice for Children and Nurturing Families. Our Lexington office is located at 1404 Piedmont Drive in Lexington. You can visit our website at www.elizashelpinghands.org or www.pssofnc.com. Our number is 336-865-0388. All of our programs and services are available in English and in Spanish. Eliza's Helping Hands Incorporated is a nonprofit that was founded in 2015 to expand services in the community for domestic violence, sexual assault, and human trafficking issues. Our mission is to provide quality services to victims and survivors of all types of domestic abuse through recognition and harm done and advocacy for their rights and needs. Eliza's Helping Hands features the CARE program for victims and others affected by domestic violence issues. The CARE program stands for Creating Access for Relationship Enhancement. It offers domestic violence and sexual support groups, help for human trafficking victims, trauma counseling and individual counseling through A Voice for Children, grief counseling for families who have lost someone due to violence, court advocacy and victim support, district court mediation, community service programs, and U-Haul services to help those who may need access to moving. COOL program Lexington fees are as followed. There is no fee for victim services or for clients referred to Eliza's Helping Hands Incorporated. For anger management, there is a $35 assessment fee and it's $30 per class for a total of 15 classes. For domestic violence classes, there's a $35 assessment fee and it's $15 per class for 26 classes. For online court classes, it is $45 per course, but $50 bundles are available. For supervised visitation, there's a $35 assessment fee and it's $45 per hour on Fridays and Saturdays after 2 p.m. It is $35 per hour at all other available times. There's a $25 flat fee plus the hourly rate for off-site visits. Appointments are required. For the parent nurturing class, there's a $35 assessment fee and it's $20 per class. For the teen group, there's a $35 assessment fee and it's $15 per class for 15 classes. Mediation is $60 per case. Community Intervention and Educational Services offers the COOL program. COOL stands for Creating Opportunities for Others to Learn. It was founded in 2012 to service offenders ordered to complete domestic violence treatment. It was approved by the North Carolina Council for Women to provide offender services. Programs for adults and teens are offered in Spanish and in English. Services provided by the COOL program include anger management classes, domestic violence classes, online court classes, supervised visitation, nurturing parent classes, teen group classes, a court mediation program, and mental health services. DSS can make referrals to all 3 of our agencies. The COOL program referrals are for offender services, supervised visitation, and parenting classes. Eliza's Helping Hands are for victim services referrals. And A Voice for Children and Nurturing Families are for children, family, and mental health services. We mostly use this form internally. This is the referral form for referring someone to the COOL program. This is the COOL program court referral form. It's primarily used by our staff members who are in court referring clients who are court mandated to complete the program. This is the referral form for Eliza's Helping Hands. You can send a referral by fax or by email to the following: kenyact2015@gmail.com, Tanika C. Eliza's Helping Hands @gmail.com, or fax at 336-283-0777. Once received, we then try to contact the client within 24 to 48 hours. We try to contact the client at least 3 times. If we are unable to make contact, we will notify the referring agency. Once we make contact with the client, we schedule an intake to determine the appropriate service for the client's program, and we notify the referring agency. We try to send updates once a month at the end of the month to the referring agency. If we feel clients need to be referred to a Voice for Children, we will refer them internally. And again, all of our services are available in English and in Spanish. We offer sliding fee scales for clients referred to us by DSS if the client is having financial difficulty. Fees may vary by county depending on the size of the county. For example, smaller counties with less resources, we try to work with the income level of that client. As previously stated, victim support group and assessments are free. Mental health services, trauma-focused counseling, and family and individual counseling can possibly be billed. Fees may be covered by insurance companies such as Medicaid, Blue Cross, Cigna and Aetna, and TRICARE. Every client that is referred to us for domestic violence has to complete 26 weeks of the course regardless of if they are court-ordered, voluntary, or referred to us by DSS. We follow the same rules set forth by the North Carolina Department of Administration. With victims, we encourage their engagement for at least 15 weeks of classes. They can continue after that if they choose. Domestic violence are for people who have had issues in their intimate relationships. Intimate relationships can extend to family members outside of marital and dating relationships. Anger is for non-domestic violence cases. It should not be confused with domestic violence, which involves intimate relationships. Anger management is shorter with only 15 classes required. From all of us here at Eliza's Helping Hands and the COOL program, we thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our websites www.elizashelpinghands.org or www.pssofnc.com.